Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to MDCAD with SK. First MCQs. Which of the following is the unit of force? Newton, Joule, Watt, Pascal. Correct option Newton. Newton is the SI unit of force. It is defined as the force required to accelerate 1 kilogram mass by 1 meter per second square. Next MCQs. Which law of motion explains the relation between force and acceleration? First law, second law, third law, law of gravitation. So correct option second law of motion, which is also known as a Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Newton's second law states that force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Next MCQs. What causes an object to change its states of motion? Energy, mass, inertia, force. So correct option force. Force causes a change in the motion or state of rest of a body. Next MCQs. What is the inertia of an object? Its motion, its speed, its resistance to change in motion, its acceleration. So correct option, its resistance to change in motion. Inertia is the property of an object to resist any change in its state of motion. Next MCQs. A body continues its state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by friction, gravity, a net external force, inertia. So correct option net external force. This is Newton's first law of motion. Next MCQs. Which of the following quantities is a vector? Speed, mass, force, work. So correct option force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Next MCQs. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to its weight, its speed, the force applied, its volume. So correct option the force applied. According to Newton's second law, acceleration is directly proportional to the applied force. Next MCQs. Action and reaction forces act on the same body, on different bodies, in same direction without contact. So correct option on different bodies. They act on different bodies and in opposite direction. This is Newton's third law of motion. Next MCQs. What is the force of 5 kg mass accelerated at 2 meter per second square? So according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, m5 and a 2, 5 multiplied by 2. So correct option 10. F is equal to ma, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10 Newton. Next MCQs. Which of the following is not a type of friction? Static, kinetic, ruling gravitational. So correct option, gravitational is not a type of friction. Gravitational force is not a type of friction. Next MCQs. What is the value of G on Earth's surface? 8.9, 9.8 meter per second square, 10.8, 9.2. So correct option 9.8 meter per second square. Standard gravitational acceleration on Earth is 9.8 meter per second square. Next MCQs. Which factor does not affect friction? Nature of surface, weight of object, area of contact, speed of object. So correct option, speed of object. Speed of object has minimal effect. Friction mainly depends on surface texture and normal force. Next MCQs. Which instrument measures force? Barometer, thermometer, spring balance, voltmeter. So correct option, spring balance. Spring balance is used to measure force. Next MCQs. When net force on a body is zero, the body is in uniform motion, accelerated motion, rest only, vibration. So correct option, rest only. The body remains at rest or moves with uniform velocity. This is equilibrium. Next MCQs. The product of mass and acceleration is, this is Newton's second law, which is equal to force. So correct option, force. By Newton's second law, force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration.